Welcome to my Sunday reset. The first thing I do to start off my reset is just take a shower, and I'm showing you guys the products that I use. I'm just making a checklist of things I need to get done today. So I need to clean my room because it just looks atrocious. I'm going to make a healthy meal today just so I can feel good about myself. So I'm going to make some soup, and then I'm going to fill out my weekly planner just to set me for the rest of the week. So this has been my room. I have been sick with the stomach bug. There's a valid reason why my room is not clean. So I have not been able to clean up my room. I'm so embarrassed to put this on the internet, but I'm gonna do a time lapse of me cleaning just so you guys can see how I clean my room. The first thing I'm starting off with is just cleaning my sheets and my comforter. I'm also going to be cleaning my mattress, so this just needs to get done, and I'm going to feel so much better with a clean bed. Okay, now I'm going to mix up a solution to clean my mattress. I'm just using some dish soap and baking soda, and then I'm going to add some warm water. You can add hydrogen peroxide to get stains out of your mattress also, but I don't have any. So I'm just going to use these two. I'm going to mix it with equal parts and then just put it on my mattress. Now, whenever I do this, I just really scrub, and I try to let the solution set in as long as it can, and then I clean it off with a damp towel. Now, this was a must in my Sunday reset because I did not realize how much expired makeup I had. I threw out so much stuff that was just like 3 or 4 years old, and this just really needed to happen. I'm glad I did this, and I feel so much better whenever I'm going to do my makeup again. Now I'm just decluttering and trying to organize my dresser while disinfecting it, just because I have a lot of stuff on here. And here's my God loves you sign. This just makes me feel so good. I love whenever people come in here and see it, or sometimes I just truly need to see it. Okay, now I'm just folding my clothes. Please excuse the mess. It's literally so messy in here. I just have not been in the best spirits, so my room is just a mess, and whenever I get ready, I throw my clothes everywhere, so that's why it's just a hot mess in here, but I'm really trying to get it together. Okay, now my room is all clean. All of those little sticky notes are just positive quotes and Bible verses that I just need to say throughout the day to just lift me up. But I am redoing my room, so I will be uploading a video of my room transformation. These weekly planners are just so good for my mental health because I've noticed if I don't have it written down on a physical piece of paper, I tend to just get on my phone, I'll get on TikTok for hours, or I'll just watch Netflix, and I've been really trying to break that habit and form better ones, so this is just great for me to have. Okay, so now I'm going to make some homemade chicken noodle soup, and I'm just going to show you guys how I make it. Now I'm just cutting out all of the chicken fat, and I'm cutting the chicken into small pieces because I'm going to be putting this in the air fryer. Now I am seasoning my chicken with paprika, and I use curry sauce, and I added a little bit of spray butter. Okay, so this is my soup all done. I added some cauliflower, broccoli, and tomatoes, and then I just seasoned it more with some paprika and curry sauce. Those are the only seasonings that I use. And I stuck the chicken in the air fryer. It is so good. I love making the soup. I actually came up with the recipe by myself, and I don't know how I came up with it, but one day I was just throwing stuff together and this is what I came up with, and it is by far my favorite soup.